Google Photos just has this really fun new AI tool. Notice the picture on the left there. That is a photo of a newspaper clipping from around 1957. And it's in my Google Photos. Well, I used this brand new feature called Photos to Video, and it made us dance. I say us because that little girl on the far right, that's me, and the teacher behind me, that's my mom. Couple things to notice: it only does it vertical, so the girl on the left ended up getting cut off there. But the second thing to know, I just tried using this feature and it said no can do. I'm in Taiwan and it said this isn't available in your country yet. So I figured this would be a good example for using a VPN. We use NordVPN just because that's what most people around here use. And I don't know exactly, but we only pay $2 or $3 a month, and it covers 10 devices. So what do VPNs do? It stands for Virtual Private Network, and it's marketed as protection from any bad stuff out there. But we don't use it for that. I only use it when I need to pretend to be in a different country. Here's a little video. Here's how a VPN can help you when you're in a foreign country. I use NordVPN, and you see this handy dandy little widget here on the screen. It says it is unprotected right now. VPN is off. And I want to show you something I tried to do. I tried to use Google Photos to do a fancy new feature called Create Photo to Video, and I tapped next and told it to do it, and I get this message: this feature is not yet available in some countries. All right, let me back out of here, go back to my home screen and do a quick connect, which will make it look like I am in the United States. So see, it says I am now protected and I am in the United States. Now I can go back to the Google Photos. Try that feature again. 3 dots, create photo to video. And got to get somebody in the photo. And this time it's going to work. Fun. So that's how VPN can make things work that won't otherwise work. Now, I don't know if you could tell, that was me, the little girl, panning for gold. It's not recommended when you're panning for gold to throw it up in the air like that. But that was fun, and I was actually kind of surprised that the VPN made it work. But that is, to me, the main purpose of VPNs, to pretend that you're in a different country.